Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Live Fear Do Mathematics. The problem today we are going to discuss is a problem of Delhi University MSc Entrance Test 2014, and this is a problem of linear algebra. So the problem says, let P be the set of all n by n complex Hermitian matrices, then P is a vector space over the field of option C, option B R but not C, option C both R and C, D C but not R. Okay, so here given that the P is a vector space over the field, we have to find the field. Okay, now what is P? P is the set of all n by n complex Hermitian matrices. Okay, so now for better understanding, we choose n to be 2. Okay, so we will solve the problem for all 2 by 2 complex Hermitian matrices. Okay, now a matrix is Hermitian if A star equals to A. Okay, this is the definition of Hermitian matrix. Okay, now A star, what is star here? Here star denotes bar transpose. So A bar transpose is equal to A. What is bar? Here bar is complex conjugate. Okay, so how does the Hermitian matrices looks in a 2 by 2 case? Okay, so now the 2 by 2 matrices are like this: P, Q, R, S. Now this matrix will be Hermitian if P, Q, R star equal to P, Q, R, S. Okay, now look at this. Star means bar transpose. Now if we take bar, then what will be? P bar, Q bar, R bar, S bar, then transpose. This will be equals to P, Q, R, S. Okay, now we take transpose. What will then we have? We have this will be P bar, Q bar, R bar, S bar. This is equal to P, Q, R, S. Okay, now what we have? P bar equals to P. Now P bar equals to P, that what does it means? It means P is a real number. Okay, because it is same as its complex conjugate. Okay, so it is a real number. Now what we have? R bar equals to Q. Okay, and from this Q bar equals to R. Okay, and here we have S bar equals to S. Okay, so S bar equals to S, what does it means? It means S is a real number for similar region as P is a real number, and here is for that region S is a real number. Okay, now what can we say about the matrix? Now we took the matrix as P, Q, R, S. This was our matrix. Okay, now this will be Hermitian if, what is this? Now P is a real number, so that is P. Now what we have? Q, here is Q, then R. What is R? R is Q bar, so we put here Q bar, and S is a real number, that is S. Okay, so here in this case P, S are real number and Q is a complex number, and Q bar is the complex conjugate of Q. Okay, so this is our Hermitian matrix in 2 by 2 case. The form of Hermitian matrix is this. Okay, now this is a vector space. Okay, so the sum of 2, now as you know that if x, y belongs to V, where V is a vector space, then x plus y belongs to V. Okay, so now we take two matrices, P1, Q1, Q1 bar, S1 plus P2, Q2, Q2 bar, S2 bar. What will be the sum of these two matrices? The sum of these two matrices is P1 plus P2, Q1 plus Q2. Then we have Q1 bar plus Q2 bar, and S1 bar. Sorry, this will be S2. There will be no bar. Okay, and S1 plus S2. Okay, so we have to show that this matrix is also Hermitian. Okay, because the sum of two Hermitian matrix must be a Hermitian matrix, because the Hermitian matrices form a vector space. Okay, now we have to show that this is a Hermitian matrix and this matrix is of the form this. Okay, now so we have to show that this matrix is of the form this, because we know that all 2 by 2 Hermitian matrices, those who forms vector space, are looks like this. Okay, now look here, p1 plus p2, q1 plus p2, and this what we have to this have to be q1 plus q2 bar. Now we know that q1 plus q2 bar equals to q1 bar plus q2 bar. So this can be written as, this matrix can be written as p1 plus p2, q1 plus q2, q1 plus q2 bar. This is because a plus b bar equals to a bar plus b bar. Okay, so this is q1 plus q2 bar, and here is s1 plus s2. So this matrix is of the form of this matrix, hence this matrix belongs to the vector space of all 2 by 2 Hermitian matrices. So the sum of all 2 by 2 Hermitian matrices is a Hermitian matrix, and this matrix under addition they are closed. Okay, we have proved. Now again, if x belongs to V and A belongs to field from the field F, then we know that Ax belongs to V. Okay, so now we are going to show that. Now what is our x here? Okay, now here we have to take a 2 by 2 Hermitian matrix from the vector space, so that will be look like this. Okay, so now we take that matrix P, Q, Q bar and S. Okay, now this matrix we multiply it by K, where K is a scalar. Okay, K can be from R or C. K belongs to R or C. Okay, sorry, here we write this here, K belongs to R or C. Okay, so now what is this? We can write this as Kp, Kq, Kq bar, Ks. Okay, now we have to show that this matrix is Hermitian matrix, and this matrix is of the form this. Okay, now when will this matrix be a Hermitian matrix? Now to be a Hermitian matrix, this must be like this, have to satisfy this condition Kp. So bar and transpose, we take bar, Kq bar, K bar Q and Ks. This is because if we take bar, then it will be a b bar equals to a bar b bar, then it will be K bar Q bar bar, and we know a bar bar equals to a, so Q bar bar will be Q, and here will be K bar. Okay, and this is this. Now we take transpose, this will be K P, KQ, KQ bar, KS. Now if we take transpose, and what will be this if we take transpose? Okay, now if we take transpose, it will be KP. Now here will be KP bar, we can write this as K bar P bar. Okay, now this will come here. Okay, now K bar Q bar equals to K bar, KQ bar equals to K bar Q bar. Now this will go here, so this will be K bar Q, and this will remain here, and this will be K bar S bar. Okay, so this is transpose, and this will be equal to KP, KQ, KQ bar, KS. Okay, now we have told that here P is a real number, S is a real number, so P bar will be equal to P, so this bar cancels, and S bar equals to S, because S is a real number, so this bar cancels. Okay, now these two matrices similar. When these two matrices will be similar, if similar, then this element will be equal to this element. So what is that element? So it will be K bar P equal to KP. Now we can write this as K bar minus KP equals to 0. This is 0 vector. Okay, now look, P, we have assumed that P is a non-zero vector. Okay, so K bar minus K equals to 0 vector. So k bar equals to k, that means k belongs to R because k is a real number. Otherwise, that is why k bar equals to k. Okay, so k comes from R, so the scalar here comes from real number. So we can state that the all 2 by 2 Hermitian matrices forms a vector space over R because this k must be real number because k bar equals to k. Okay, so what will be the answer? So the answer is B. This is over R but not C. Okay, because k bar is equal to k only possible if R is a real number. K bar is equal to k only possible, is only possible if k is a real number. Okay, so option B is the right answer. And to check that Hermitian matrices they don't form vector space over C, now we give a simple example. Okay, they don't form vector space over C, we give a simple example. Okay, so now we have to take PS. Okay, now take P equals to 1, they are real numbers, S equals to 2. Okay, and the form is like this. So PS we have chosen as to be 1 2 and take Q is equal to I. Okay, so what will be here I, and I bar is equal to minus I. Okay, now multiply this. If it is a vector space over C, then we choose I from C. Okay, and multiply it. What will it be? It will be I square minus 1, here minus I square plus 1 and 2i. Now what is its? Now we have to show that this is Hermitian matrix. So is it Hermitian matrix? So check it. So it's first we will take its bar. If we take its bar, it will be this is a real number, so its bar will be same as this, so it is minus 1. And if we take the bar of this, it will be same. And if we take the bar of this, now what will be this matrix? Minus I, minus 1, 1, 2, minus 2i. Okay, now if we take transpose, what will be this matrix? This matrix will be minus I, minus 1, 1, 2, I, minus 2i. Now the previous matrix what was? Before taking bar, it was this matrix I minus 1, here is minus I 1. So these two matrices are not same, so this is not Hermitian matrix. So this is not a Hermitian matrix. Okay, so we can say that 2 by 2 Hermitian matrices, when they are multiplied from a scalar taken from C, they don't remain the same, or so they are not closed under scalar multiplication when the scalar is taken from C. Okay, so option B is the right answer. So thank you friends for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.